WUSA 9 Weather Impact Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Jonathan Myers and this is your WUSA9.com weather webcast. Weather Impact Alert continues through lunchtime today. Showers, drizzle, even some high elevation fog out on the Blue Ridge as well as the Allegheny Plateau. You're going to need an umbrella nearby as we wrap up the morning commute and head out to lunch. You're going to need some extra time for commutes. You're going to need dog towels, and also I would go ahead and download that WUSA 9 weather app. That means that you've got the Zoom Bull radar right in the palm of your hand. So if you're going to be out and about, you're going to be able to track that rain as you go and stay ahead of it. So why do we issue weather impact alerts? Well, number one, if there's life-threatening weather possible. Number two, more so the case today, if it's more of a nuisance where you're going to have to change your plans. Or number three, and this has partially been kind of a effect of the system too, a dynamic situation where you have rounds of rain and timing is changing. It's a changeable forecast, so you need to check back with us frequently. Go ahead and take a look at the futurecast as we work our way through the remainder of the morning. On and off rain, could even have a couple heavier patches by about 11:15 to noon. That does begin to push eastbound. Temperatures recovering into the 70s. Notice if we do get some peaks and pokes of sunshine, there could be a stray shower or thunderstorm that re-erupts for the afternoon. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow, there could be another stray shower risk. And notice a few of these into tomorrow morning as well as tomorrow midday and afternoon. Not everyone's going to see it, but there could be a spot shower or storm. Real unsettled few days coming. And then an even better risk of some rain. This is actually some moisture potentially on the very outer edges of what is now Tropical Storm Helene and slated to become Hurricane Helene, eventually making landfall as a major hurricane over the Big Bend of Florida. And then some of that remnant moisture could have, again, some impacts on our forecast. Tides running 1 to 2 feet above average on the tidal Potomac as well as the Chesapeake Bay. This is why we still have a coastal flood advisory in effect in some of these more vibrant green areas. The lighter green, that's a coastal flood warning still in effect, especially around the Annapolis area. Boy, they've been ravaged by coastal flooding the past few days. Looks like another round of it today. Washington Channel has a high tide at 3:06 p.m. and Alexandria shortly after that. So some of those areas may still be dealing with some water over some roadways like the Haynes Point Loop Road and also King Street, Union Street. You know, those usual suspects that flood. That could be another situation repeat today. And then again, all the way into deep southern Maryland, northern neck of Virginia, and portions of the Delmarva dealing with coastal flood advisories as well. And those extended now through Thursday. High temperatures today under the clouds with some drizzle and some rain. 74 in the district. Manassas, you're at 74, 72 at Joint Base Andrews. Temperature is going to be in the 70s as well. Front Royal, Luray, maybe some mid to upper 70s there, as well as at Fredericksburg, where there could be a little bit more potential of some breaks of sun. Temperatures in the muggy 60s to near 70 overnight tonight into early tomorrow. Look at your allergy index on the day. Unfortunately, still dealing with moderate grass pollen as well as high molds. So that's going to be problematic for those of you that are allergic and sniffling and sneezing. Temperatures today at 74, going above average. Thursday, Friday, temperatures low to maybe even spots mid-80s as we reduce the rain chance a little bit. But Saturday, Sunday, we're back into the 70s, and temperatures actually drop below average into next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, real touch of fall. High temperatures struggle to near 70 by then. But again, first half of that 10-day temperature trend is going to be on the warm side. Look at your 7-day forecast, 74 degrees for today. But again, the weather impact alert, the biggest deal, that's going to last through noontime. Again, we will have some on and off showers here and there. But as we hit about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, notice most of those are gone. If you get some breaks of sun, you see there could be a stray thunderstorm in the mix too. Outside of that, it does look a little bit better for the PM than the AM. A stray shower on Thursday, more showers for Friday back. And again, that's potentially the very outer periphery of what will be a very expansive storm at that point, Helene, making landfall Thursday night, late into Friday, and then moving inland over the southeastern United States. Could see a shower on Saturday as the Helene remnants back off toward potentially the Mississippi Valley. That's how the track looks now. And then Sunday, that storm system may kind of make a loop turn back eastbound, and that's when we get our best risk of some rain out of it. Notice later Thursday into Friday morning, there's strong Helene. making the push into Florida, and then that circulation going south of Cincinnati and kind of arcing back to St. Louis, but then gets picked up by another system and shoved east. Saturday, potentially a couple of showers, a little break, but then Sunday, that's that bigger rain that could be with Helene, maybe even a downpour or two. Monday, Tuesday of next week, that should be pulling out as some sunshine returns with highs in the 70s there. All right, well, weather impact alert lasting through noon. And again, tracking Helene, we're going to stay on top of it. I want you to have a great day.